Complete the square and determine the vertex of each parabola. So y equals x squared plus 4x plus 3. So how do we complete the square? It's a step-by-step process that you should practice enough until you're comfortable with it. And what I'm going to do here is that I will leave some room right over here, open brackets, just so that I can add a number that will complete the square for x squared plus 4x. What do I mean by that? Well, I want this to be a perfect square trinomial. So I want it to be something like x plus number squared. So what number should I add? There's a small rule. We can just take the 4, we divide it by 2, and we square it. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So we're going to add a 4 over here. And I also need to take it away, because if I'm adding a 4 out of the blue, this is an equation, right? So I need to balance it. So I need to take it away. Okay, and what does that do? Well, this is now a perfect square trinomial, which I can just factor into x plus 2 squared. If you're not comfortable with that, I would suggest that you take a look at factoring trinomials or website. And okay, so 3 minus 4, negative 1. So I'm assuming that you are comfortable factoring trinomials. One quick rule to determine the 2 is just to take the 4 and divide it by 2. So we have x plus 2 squared. Some students at the beginning, when they are learning completing the square, they just ask, well, where did the x squared go? Where did 4x go? Well, they're just right here, right? Because x plus 2 squared is just x plus 2 times x plus 2. So we need to FOIL this. So x times x, x squared. X times 2, 2x. 2 times x, 2x. And 2 times 2, 4. So if we simplify, we're going to have x squared plus 4x plus 4. So it's just another way of writing that. And right away, we can tell the vertex of the parabola. What is that going to be? It's going to be negative 2, negative 1. So this is the vertex. That is the parabola in complete square form.